So this is Dami once again, popularly known as Queen Asha from Ashdam Solar, and you can see the contrast. What we're doing right now is we are maintaining a solar system. We are maintaining a solar panel that was installed in the year 2016, and today is February 20th, 2019. So that's 2 years difference. Well, almost 3 years. Almost 3 years difference now. 3 years interval, and this beauty has been working perfectly for our clients. Client has been using it for almost 3 years now, but we have to clean this panel because we're in the dry season and there's dust everywhere. You can see the contrast between the panels that are cleaned already and the ones that are not cleaned. You can see how dirty they are. So, and what's this kind of thing cause in solar system is it reduces the efficiency of the solar system. It reduces the voltage, it reduces the currents, especially current that is going out of your solar panel. So it reduces it and it makes your overall system to be less efficient. Even if the system is working very well, because we asked our client already, said he's delivering good for him. But what they can use when the sun is out up there is going to be reduced. So if you have this kind of system on top of your roof, we are just a dial away for us to maintain for you. Just give us a call. Call us on 080-3428-4936. Ashdam Solar Smart Energy Solutions.